Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're here at National Toronto Pearson Airport. And just a quick reminder, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And premier selection, we got a 5-liter Mustang and a Polestar. Electric, all-electric car. Over here, the signage is for Alamo, but it's just kind of pretty much the overflow and some of their luxury. So we've got an Audi SUV, BMW, a couple BMW SUVs, Mercedes SUV, a couple more BMWs. We've got a newer Volvo Cross Country, a bunch of Wranglers, RAV4, another Wrangler. It's Sunday evening here, so the aisle's a little bit emptier, but you can kind of see cars coming in. They're just getting ready for Monday here. Got one of those newer Grand Cherokees, Durango. Looks like an RT. It's got the Hemi. GMC Yukon. Chevy pickup truck. We got a Corolla. A couple more of these Grand Cherokees. I think this one might actually be the L. And BMW, Mercedes, Jaguar sedan. You can see a bunch of the larger SUVs in the back there. Now these 4Runners. And I'll just kind of walk you over the aisle again and just you can kind of see some more of the SUVs getting ready for Monday. The aisle may look a little bit empty, but that's just because a lot of the cars are being returned. The returns are full. So they're just, as they're cleaning cars, they're just pretty much bringing them over here. It's fairly late on a Sunday evening. We've got Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. We got a Camry coming in here. We got an Escape, Titanium. We got a Kia Sorento. We got a RAV4. And we got another Escape here. And we got a VW. Looks like another VW over there. There's some cars in the back. And we got a couple of these new Kias are in here. And I was just going to say, I'm pretty impressed with the Toronto fleet because it's pretty new. They got a whole bunch of new Ford Edges in the last clip. And just by looking at the license plates and checking the mileage, everything's pretty new here. There's more cars coming in. There's a Dodge Charger GT down a little bit further. What have we got here? Yeah, another Escape coming through. Got this VW Passat. And let's just quickly go over to Enterprise. We can see some of the cars. There's a C300 here. And I can show you guys the upgrade selection here. BMW 3 Series. Got a BMW, I think that's an X3. Just a regular Mustang. And 2 5-liter Mustangs. We got a Mazda compact SUV. Another BMW. Maybe an X1. Or that might be an X2. X3. 5-liter Mustang. And I think that's pretty much it. This is just, yeah, it's just kind of some cars parked over in reserve here. Got a Mazda VW, got a Mercedes, got a Ford Edge, a larger Ford SUV, another Polestar, Durango, and I think that's pretty much, yeah, let's see if I can kind of grab a little bit of the Alamo section, if there's anything I missed. Otherwise, that may just wrap things up here for National Enterprise Alamo at Toronto Pearson Airport. Again, no worries if you're picking up a car. There's lots of cars in the returns. Just being cleaned and working their way over here for Monday. Again, it's fairly late Sunday evening here. All right, thanks everyone for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I just want to give you guys a quick tour of this Mustang parked over at Enterprise here. 2,700 kilometers on it. And it's got you probably saw there, it has the digital dash, but it also has the performance package. Let's see if I can make that light up again, the gauges. But this is basically, well, this one's got the big spoiler on it too. So we're definitely seeing, so this has got the performance package. And it probably has the active exhaust on it as well. So the thing you want to look for here, probably if you're looking at choosing one, is the black, those black 19-inch wheels. And then probably easiest way to tell, well, for sure the spoiler. But I don't know if it's going to light up again for us here, but the gauges, you kind of see the 2 gauges in between the vents there. It's just a quick tour I wanted to add in here of one of the Mustangs. So they've got quite a few different ones here this year. That one's just got the regular wheels on it. And then there's one over in the returns there I need to kind of show you real quick. Has there's another one with the regular rims on it, 5-liter with a stripe. And then this one's got the upgraded wheels on it.